Welcome to today's Python class. We're diving into a concept that might seem simple but is crucial in programming, the none value. Let's understand what none is and how it's used in Python. Hi, I'm Pi, your guide to Python. None is a special data type in Python, representing the absence of a value or a null value. It's like having an empty box, signifying nothing or no value here. Python. A equals none. Print a when you assign none to a variable and print it simply returns none, indicating the absence of a value. None is often used in Python to signify empty or as a placeholder to declare variables. Let's look at some practical examples where none is commonly used. Default parameters and functions. Python. Def greet name equals none. If name is none, print hello, stranger. Else, print f hello, name. Greet hash outputs, hello, stranger. Greet Alice, hash outputs, hello, Alice. Here, none is used as a default parameter. If no name is provided, the function greets a stranger. Conditional statements. Python. User underscore input equals none. If user underscore input is none, print no input provided else. Print here's your input, user underscore input. In this example, we check if a variable is none to determine if the user has provided any input. Return value in functions. Python. Def get underscore data. Hash imagine some complex logic here that might not return data. Return none. Data equals get underscore data if data is none. Print no data received. Sometimes, functions return none to indicate that they didn't perform as expected or didn't return any meaningful value. It's also important to know how to properly compare variables to none. In Python, you should use the as keyword, not equals equals. Python. X equals none. If x is none, print x is none, hash correct way. If x equals none, print this works but is not the idiomatic way in Python. Remember, none is different from false, 0, or an empty string. These are all values, whereas none signifies no value. Always uses none to check for none, as it's more accurate than equals equals. Understanding and using none correctly can make your code more robust and clear. Remember, it's a special value in Python representing nothingness and is quite handy in various situations. Keep practicing and explore more about Python's none. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.